Hi, I am Nasir from Freelancer and Programming Tips and Tricks. And in today's tutorial, we will learn about HTML paragraphs. What are the HTML paragraphs? HTML documents are divided into paragraphs. HTML key element defines a paragraph. So, as we already learned about this, we always write a paragraph in key tags. Let's take an example. I open the notepad and write two paragraphs. This is a paragraph and close it. Let's take another paragraph. This is another paragraph. Let's close it. And these are two paragraphs. Now if we want to see them in browser, then first of all we should declare doctype HTML. Then we start HTML tag, which is also called HTML main tag, and close it here. And we always take the visible content in body tag. So we start body here and close it at the end of these paragraphs with the slash tag. So let's save this at desktop para.html or file and save it. So let's see in the browser. Now you can see that it is showing two paragraphs. And you can also see space at left side and at top of the paragraph. This space automatically comes from the browser, and you can also change this space by adding space and style sheet and giving it a margin or padding. And we will learn about this in the next tutorial. The next thing is you cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. Large or small screen and resized windows will create different results. And with HTML you cannot change the output by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML code. So the browser will remove extra spaces and extra lines when the page is displayed. Any number of spaces and any number of new lines count as only one space. So we take two other paragraphs. Now I have copied two paragraphs and want to paste. I have pasted two paragraphs which contain line breaks here, here and here. You can see the line breaks. And the second paragraph also contain line breaks as well as spaces between the words. You can see these spaces here. And if we save this and see in the browser, then what happens? You can see that there are no line breaks or spaces between the words. These are showing normally. So we want spaces or spaces or line breaks. Then we put some code in between these paragraphs. Now let's take a new paragraph. This is a paragraph with line break. So let's put line break br. You can, as you already know about br tag, it's used to insert to break a line. So I save it and see in the browser. Yes, you can see that it is breaking the line, and the paragraph text paragraph is showing at the new line. So it is due to the br tag, and it is a tag without no ending tag, and in W3C you should also put the ending tag at the end of BR. Now the next thing is about the point problem. I have pasted some points lines here, and these are in paragraph. So let's see in the browser what happened. Refresh, and you can see it is showing in a single line, but in HTML we have written as in many lines. So if we want to show it as it is we written in the HTML text, so we use a pre tag. We copy this paragraph and we'll change it in pre tag. What is the pre tag? The pre tag, the HTML3 element defines pre-formatted text. The text inside a pre-element is displayed in a width font, usually Courier, and it preserves both spaces and line breaks. So we use the pre-tag to write point or point3. So let's save it and see in the browser. Now you can see that it is showing as it is written in the HTML text. So these are about paragraphs. We will learn more about the HTML in the next video. Take care in the next video.